Okay guys, welcome back to my tutorial with C++ language. In this video I'm going to be teaching you uh, if statement, or not really, yeah, using a nested statement or nested if statement. We are given a question to a question which we'll be looking at, but before that let me explain what a nested statement if statement is. A nested statement is a statement that is that after a condition is met, check another condition. If that condition is met, is not met, this is display. Or if this condition is met yet another this condition is not met, this something, do something on this side. So let me just show you practically how this thing works. So uh, before we go with our question, let's just include of course our files hashtag include. Oh no. Okay. Hashtag include iostream using namespace std terminate int main, and then the open braces. So this is our question that they have given to us. Consider a program that determines if a bank customer qualify for a loan. To qualify, two conditions must exist. Well, the customer must at least earn, not year, earn $30 per year, and the customer must be employed at his or her current job for at least 2 good years. So how do we go about it? How do we use nested statement for this? Let's declare an integer value, int and let's just declare a variable called end, which will be holding the amount that the person earned per year, and then int years at job which will be holding the number of years that the customer has been employed. And then what do we do? See out, we want to print out print out to the customer to enter the amount of money that he earned. See out, please enter the amount of money and pay right. We might as well end that line, and then we wanna store it on the end variable. I'm gonna ask the customer again, see out, how many years have you been employed at your current job? Nice. Okay, end line as well, and then we store it on the years at job variable. And then this is where we make a decision now. They said for a customer to this bank customer to qualify, as just like we're giving, for this bank customer to qualify, what must we do? I don't know. Okay, let me just cancel that. Right. For this bank customer to qualify, we're told that two conditions must exist. Number one, the customer must at least earn $30,000 per year, and number two is that the customer must be employed at his or her current job for at least 2 good years. So how do we make a decision with that? If end is greater or equal to 30,000. Why? Okay, good. What must we do? Wanna ask the person to enter how many years? Okay, I'm gonna take this one out over here because this one must exist for us to go to the next one. how many years have you worked in your current job, and then we store it on that also. So this is what the program will do. It will just enter the person to enter the amount of money he make per year. If that amount is greater than 30,000 or equal to 30,000, how many years have you been employed? Now this is where nested if statement comes in. We make another decision. If years years at job is greater or equal to 2, we want to tell the person that he is qualified. See out, you qualify for the loan. Now the customer will be able to withdraw money from us. I mean, we can loan money to him or her, and so and then we end. But what if is not the job is not 2 years? If it is less than, we're gonna use as if years. I'm gonna copy this. A job is less than 2. Less than 2. What are we going to do? We're going to tell the person you do not qualify for the loan. Sorry, you don't qualify for the loan. Now let's run that and let's see what happened. I'm gonna save it as a bank loan, and then hopefully there's no error. Right, please enter the amount of money and per year. Let's say we enter 35,000. It will ask us to enter how many years. We enter 2. We enter 3, for example. So you qualify for the loan. Yes, we are qualified because the condition is true. And then, but what if the amount of money we make is 29,000 per year? Well, it doesn't do anything. But how that is when we just come here to say else. If this one doesn't match, we're gonna come here and say else. See out, you do not, or you must earn 30,000 per year to qualify. Now let's save that and then run it again. Oh, I did not terminate, guys, please take note of that. And then let's say 29,000 again. Whoa, so you must earn at least 30,000 per year to qualify. Now that is how nested if statement is. What we did right now is we check for this. The person is allowed to enter the amount of money earned per year. We check if this money that the person enter, is it greater than 30,000 or equal to 30,000. If it is greater than 30,000, if it is less than 30,000, I mean, come here, tell the person that does not qualify must earn at least 30,000 to qualify. But if it is greater or equal to 30,000, we want to ask the user to enter the amount. I mean, how many years? Is the years greater than 2 or equal to 2? If it is greater, we say qualified for the loan. If it's not greater, we say sorry, you do not qualify for the loan. Thank you so much. My time is limited, but thank you so much for watching my videos, and hopefully if there's a comment or if there's a question, please leave a comment below because I'll be answering it as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe because you are really helping a lot. Thank you very much. See you soon.